Good afternoon, Sam Longplomer here. Don't know if I'll even post this video, but this is the OASKYS shredded memory foam pillow. It's a queen size. I bought one a few weeks ago and it came in a different container, but it's the same barcode, as you can see. It's a barcode. This one doesn't have one. Oh, here it is. This one has it. It has the same barcode. And this is what it looks like inflated after a few hours. We're going to cut one open now and see how it turns out. I'm probably not going to do time lapse, but I'll take breaks in between so it doesn't bore everybody. So when you unzip the container, it comes in a plastic wrap like so, and you have to cut it because it's taped down right in 3 spots with packaging tape.
Middle and side.
So just be careful not to cut the actual pillow. Alright, you unwrap it, and it's vacuum sealed right here. It's completely flat. So when you do cut it open, you should probably remove it very quickly from the wrapper, otherwise it might get stuck inside. So you want to cut right here where the seam is, but far enough away from the pillow material so you don't cut it. So as soon as we leave it to air, it's going to start inflating right away. Pull it out. And I'm just going to let it run.
It's already inflating.
It's already inflating, yeah. It's inflating from a flat, and this is the inflated version. See how quite a bit thicker it is. It's actually inflating pretty fast. And you can just time it on YouTube. Actually, I'm not going to pause. I'm just going to let it run. You can insert your Jeopardy theme here and see how long it takes.
Or Kahoot music. There's also a timer music.
Is it?
Yeah, it's for like a school.
And so if yours doesn't inflate like some people complain on Amazon or wherever you bought this from, you can throw it in the dryer and put it on air fluff. Probably don't use the heat. And I would suggest you do it actually inside the pillowcase so the foam doesn't actually accidentally spew out while it's in the tumble. Yeah. Made that mistake already. But fortunately it was in the dryer, so I put all stuffing, threw it back in. So.
It exploded in the dryer.
Yeah, I don't know. Somebody opened it and didn't zip it all the way, and then while I was fluffing it, all the stuffing came out. So not all of it, but a fair amount. Yeah. So actually, that's pretty close to full, no?
Still a while.
Still a while. So it'll take a few minutes. Here are the two. I don't know if you can see the two compared, but there's quite a bit of volume difference here. There you go. And that's about it.
Whee!
I went ahead and air fluffed the pillows. This is my Maytag drying center from my other YouTube video, if you guys recognize it. I think in about another 30 seconds or so, I'll pop this open. Alright, so this is what they look like fluffed. Quite a bit bigger. There's 2 more in here. Now, I didn't fluff them that long, but I threw a dryer sheet in here too just to mitigate some of the smell, but yeah, you can still smell the memory foam a little bit. But just give you an idea of what you can do with these things. And then the nice thing about these pillows is that you can adjust the fill, so if it's too firm for you, you can go ahead and open them up. There should be another zipper in here. And you can actually remove some of the memory foam. Remove as much as you like. I would suggest you store it in a Ziploc bag and maybe vacuum out the air so the Ziploc bag doesn't hog up a lot of space either. And then you can adjust your firmness. So I think this is going to conclude my video, and hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, feel free to pop in a comment.